Hello, my dear students. Today we have to discuss chapter 2, that is hydrostatics of unit number 7. Unit number 7 is chapter number 2 ni asi akoina tawdise, that is hydrostatics kawi. Hydrostatics habdi fluid at rest habako. Fluid at rest. Hydro habdi fluid, that is liquid avai, gas avai. Other liquid or gas na rest le kanda liquid ki magi behavior properties ke baram akoina discuss tawdineba. Aduna remind the way na unit number 7 da, that is akoina jita reason sagi properties of bulk matter ki unit number 7 ki hoigi chapter mari legani, that is elasticity habama adu koi loigre. Uji laktuina chapter number 2, that is hydrostatics, aduga chapter 3 dana hydrodynamics lakani, that is fluid in motion, aduga chapter number 4 dana thermal properties of matter. And unit number 7 ki chapter 2 ni, that is called hydrostatics, that is fluid at rest. So first we have to define fluid. Fluid se kari no hana define tawzin ko. When the fluid higher the mass substance, it is a substance so that it can flow when external force is applied. When the substance process is when the force na pirakanda, hari substance se flow to wanga maba. Adu itadi substance when the fluid corona. Generally liquids and gases can flow when external force is applied, so they are called fluid. And when the fluid higher the liquid kanate gas su fluid singi, aduna liquid and gases singi akoina fluid kaguliam ko. So first we have to define fluid. Fluid se karino hana yeng ko. So fluids may be defined like this. It is the name given to the substance which can flow under the application of external force. Akoina external force bisalakanda substance to flow to bangabagadi substance akoina fluid kaurani ko. Since liquids and gases can flow, they are called fluids. And the fluid ki example hargadi liquids and gases akoina piba yani ko. Ar batang da akoina jilak we have to define thirst. Thirst se karino bu define tawsiko. Next we have to define thirst. Thirst is a karino haitardi. Thirst THRUST ko. Thirst se karino hargadi maze force ni. Karma force no sagi the surface of the body to the force in a perpendicularly act toraba. Aditari that force is called thirst. That is, thirst is defined as the force exerted on the surface in a direction perpendicular to it ko. Asagi body to the surface to the perpendicularly 90 degree the force na act toragadi adu force to akoina thirst ko goneba. Aduna generally force exerted by the liquid on the surface of the solid in contact with the liquid is always at right angle. So force exerted by the fluid or liquid or gases is called thirst ko ebo kono ko. Aduna sagi liquid natragana gases, that is fluid iris ko. Fluid sina ma contact samnariba solid ki surface to the solid body the piba force always perpendicular oiganeba. Aduna mar workanda fluid na solid body the piba force akoina thirst ko goneba. Aduna thirst mo koina define tawsiko. So we may write like this. Thirst may be defined like this. It is defined as the force exerted on the surface in a direction perpendicular to it. That is, surface means solid body. The surface to ni hariba surface to the perpendicularly force to the act orgadiko. That force is called thirst coronado. And generally, force exerted by the fluid is always perpendicular to the surface of the solid body in contact with the fluid. Hence, force exerted by the fluid is called thirst. Otherwise, fluid, that is liquid or gas, solid body, the act of a force always at right angle to way about 90 degrees the act of solid body to go. Aduna fluid the piva force akoina thirst ko ko. In case of fluid ki batang de sagi force ki mo akoina thirst hairani ko. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ next ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ thirst is always normal. That is, force exerted by the fluid is always perpendicular to the solid surface in contact with the fluid. ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦꯕ. That is how to prove that thirst is always normal ꯀꯣ. Always normal ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ always perpendicular ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ prove ꯇꯧꯁꯦꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ figureꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ. So let us consider a body completely immersed inside the liquid. Liquid manungda body ma pura lupa lay ado lawrasi. To see the piriba arrow lines na direction of thirst to that is force exerted by the liquid on the upper surface of the body, and here theta represents angle between the direction of thirst and the surface of the body. Ado koi proof to do je theta ze 90 degree way the uttoineba. Ado sigi theta is the angle between direction of thirst and surface of the body later. And see angle theta or see angle particular reason. See theta already being vertically opposite angle. And see force okay now any thona divide to that is force can be resolved into two rectangular components. Rectangular means which are perpendicular to each other among 90 degree way number. And the second is a component of force along the horizontal direction, that is along the surface of the solid body, is F cos theta. Sigi force ki component along the horizontal direction is F cos theta as malakani. Akoina lawriba sagi component do consider toriba angle of the leragadi cos ogadaba. Aduga vertical component haragana F sin theta la ne ko asmaina. Adu F share Fine ani thona to have a force amana F cos theta amana F sin theta. F cos theta plus F sin theta je F command to next after see the horizontal component of force is responsible to flow the liquid along the horizontal direction. See liquid se flow to one bada see F cos theta component na mateng pang to ni ko ado sidadi liquid se at rest ni leise aduna liquid at rest le bani na si F cos theta je 0 ina logo ya maram liquid to leng dra bani na ko ado smile after ni F cos theta je 0 ina kane maram liquid to rest le ra bani na ado sidagi si F si 0 ina ya de force ni ko aduna cos theta do 0 ina ne ba that is theta do hoina 90 degree ina la to ni smile theta 90 degree oi by the sigi third se perpendicularly act away put to the ko aduna amu irasi si kamai la ke ko. So we may write like this. Let us consider a solid body completely immersed inside the liquid at rest as shown in figures. That is the quasi body is liquid rest liquid awi manung da pra loop pa layer lower si F vector B the thirst exerted by the liquid on the surface of the solid body making an angle theta. Next we may write like this. F vector can be, that is force, can be resolved into two rectangular components. That is number one F cos theta along the horizontal direction. Horizontal direction the magi force components F cos theta and F sin theta along the vertical direction. F sin theta is now vertical downward direction. The component F cos theta is responsible to flow the liquid. That is, the liquid will be set in motion under this force F cos theta. The F cos theta component of force along the horizontal direction the liquid motion that is flow. Next liquid rest see component F cos theta 0 next so next we may write like this. Since the liquid is at rest, F cos theta equal to 0. This implies that cos theta equal to 0. Maram di kaino F cannot be 0. So theta equal to 90 degree. Cos theta is 0 tata di theta to 90 way ni cos 90 is 0 ni no. And theta to 90 degree way by di kaino thirst is always normal to the surface of the solid body in contact with it have ni ko. Sagi force exerted by the liquid is always perpendicular always 90 degree the act to the surface of the solid body in contact with the fluid utpa yai proof tawba yai ko